Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is just a very quick video really, and really this video is all about the images that you're seeing on your screen, and these images are images of exactly what happened on the day that Omoyele Sowore was arrested or abducted, as you might want to have it, however you are choosing to term it. So there's not much of a narrative on this video. The pictures tell their own tale. So now let's just get into it and just see how it's been captioned. Exclusive CCTV photos from Omoyele Sowore's arrest by armed DSS operatives. So that's the headline. Exclusive CCTV photos from Omoyele Sowore's arrest by armed DSS operatives. So as I said, it's all about the images, but this is just how a little synopsis that they've just used to just like a descriptive for the photos. Sahara reporters just released these exclusive CCTV photos of the moment Omoyele Sowore was arrested by armed DSS operatives in Lagos. Sowore, the founder of Sahara Reporters and convener of the hashtag Revolution Now protest, was arrested at his Lagos residence at about 1 a.m. on Saturday, August the 3rd, 2019. So that's pretty much what they've or how they've chosen to describe this. But as I said, it's all about the images. So these images now adds on to the storyline of exactly what transpired on that fateful day, the 3rd of August 2019, when these people just launched into this guy's apartment and took him like a Gestapo style. It's like they are going to, what's the name of that Colombian drug baron? It's like they are going to invade him or something. I can't quite recall his name. Drop his name in the comment section if you can remember it. It's almost like they are going to arrest that Colombian drug baron and not just some chap that was protesting against bad governance in the country. I wonder then if he should be applauding the bad governance is the converse of that. Anyway, the pictures really are the narrative of this particular video, so it's just really about these pictures. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. What are you making of all these goings on? Come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's share thoughts in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.